guys, it's me, Jillian, and today we're gonna play another vlogging. I mean, we're gonna play another elevator, which is this is part one of playing I am dirty. So anyways, let's play. Who the heck is me? Anyways, guys, today we're gonna play what's it called again? Today we're gonna play the elevator of the universe. Sorry guys. So guys, today we're gonna play now.
Kumaingay. Ano? Okay.
So yeah, where are we? So ignore my brother at the background. Let's just go here. Oh my gosh, I'm really annoyed of this song. You know what? Since all of them are very, very bad. Yeah, I'm about to kill this dude. I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is scary. Okay. Grab items. What? Grab items? We have no time, Bray. Grab items? Why? Fine. I got, what is it called? Why do you have a freaking, oh my god. No, all of us are gonna die today. Lol. All of us are gonna die. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys for the background music. My brother's at my side. Sorry for the background music. My brother is at my back right now, talking to his friends. Who the hell is this? Oh no. Said you're dead. Promise you're dead. So you're dead. So dead. Oh my gosh. This is more scarier. Die. Reloading. You know this? Yeah, I'm first. First. I think. Oh my god. So guys, okay. How many houses are there to give me a
ang galing ng shotgun ko doon. Tapos, natatago pa kayo ha. Ubus ko kayong apat. So, why na rin nakadapa ka pa.
Damn it!
Kala mo naman,
Oi! Go back! Go back! No! Oh, he's there. Dead. Wanna know something, Mike? Gay. I was supposed to shoot Mike. I'm going to kill him. It's raining tacos. Come out of the sky. Tacos. For me to ask why. Hi, Mike. Die. Oh my god, I'm going to get it. I'm gonna get the special duck. Kasi, yeah, why not? Who got it? Who got it? I will be so mad. I mean, like, at the same time, proud. But if Mike got it, I will be raging. Oh, I got special duck.
Huwag kang maingay.
Yay.
Ingay mo din yung bata. Hindi tumahimik po kasi ang lakas ng boses mo.
So guys, so today we're gonna play some no ducks. Now mine.
Nasa na-ace ko ng 2 beses.
I am not giving this to you, Mike. This is for Kendi only. Yeah, hot dog. No. I'm literally going to kill this thing. Now what? This is what you get, huh? You're going to be bazookaed. Yeah, that's what you get. Ah, frick. I'm going to kill you, Mike.
Ma. Ingay ha? Ingay niya.
So wait, guys, I'm just gonna pause this for a bit. Okay, guys, back at the video. Sorry, technical difficulties. Sorry. Oh, is there somebody up there? Oh, somebody's up there. Let's go. Wait a minute. This is for getting Kendi's duck. Almost dead right there. No! I'm going to kill you, Mike. This is not to get. Get out of the way, please. Shut up, Mike. I'm literally about to kill you, Mike. You stole it. Oh. Where did you got that? I'm literally going to kill you. You die. Serve it, Mike. This. Yeah, that's what you get. Yeah, BAFK there. Deserve it. I literally need to find that bonus. I need to find it for Kendi. For Kendi. Kendi deserve it. Kendi deserve getting. No! I ran out. I'm going to kill you, Mike. That deserve. That deserve. Hey, Superman did. Mike, come back here. I'm not. Oh my god. There, let's go. We got it. Oh shoot. No. Wait. Hell no. Wait, I'm still alive? I'm alive. I'm literally going to trash talk Mike at the chat. Literally. Sorry, Kendi. You deserve it. Come back here. No, let's buy something. So what if we buy? Oh, I'm gonna give Kendi penguin. Oh, this is mine now. Oh, mine. This is what selfish people get. Mike, I will kill you if you didn't. Please. I'm literally going to rage. I'm about to rage. Nice. First batch ni Kendi. Sa obbies. Ako na ba yung noob dito?
Oo, noob ka naman talaga.
Wait lang guys. Wait guys. I'm just copy. Then, Okay, so oh my gosh, it's hey, let's go. Yeah. Please subscribe and like the video and subscribe to that and click the bell button to not miss any videos in my channel. Sorry, Mike. To get Mike. Wanna see something, Mike? You're gay. You're just tripping. No. Come back here, Mike. You're gonna die. Yeah, that's what you get. Oh, no. Hell no, hell no, hell no. Kendi, no. Kendi, no. Give her back. Oh, shoot. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I got it. I got it. Oh my gosh, what the hell happened to me? What the hell? Oh my gosh, I lost oh my gosh, I lost it. I lost my bazooka. Wait, let me just cut that. Okay guys, back to the video. So yeah, I'm in here. Whoa. Sino pupunta dito? Please, go here. Here. Please. Oh my gosh! What the hell? Okay, so we only have a minute left, or I don't know how many. Oh. So I think this is the end of the video, guys.
Maghanap naman ito.
So guys, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe and don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to not miss any videos of my channel. Bye.